Hi, I'm sitting here with the Sudanese artist Atem Aleu to welcome you to the new YouTube channel for the Jonglei Cultural Production Center in southern Sudan, which is being planned. Atem, could you tell us a little bit about your vision for the center?
The vision for the center is to bring all the people from Jonglei state together, and also to end the tribalism. And the important for the center is to teach the other tribe about other tribes. Like in Jonglei state, we have about 3 tribes: Nuer, Denka, Anuak, and Murle. And to create the center, it can create uh, awareness or the link for other people to know much better about other tribes. And also it can bring a unity because in Jonglei said there is still tribalism. And creating the center, I think, can bring people together to know them, to know each other more than the other, and can create peace among the Jonglei state people.
That's really wonderful. That's very exciting. Can you tell for our viewers in Dinka, who speak Dinka, a little bit in the Dinka language about your hopes for the center?
We check a mod we call it center called bigในจงกุเลยis that ever quite bayกันเดียคอยกันจงกุเลยรานนัวรานเดเดนกาอุจนารานมุรุเลอุรานดานยัก all อยากดังไอ้จันบีทองอยู่กับท่อในแคมป์กว่าในรถก็โวยคอยกันจงกุเลยเสร็จบีกันเหลียวกูพูดกุนงี้นายชุบยาตกก็ว่าบุรุษงี้ที่วันนี้คอยก็ถ้าเกลอยสินที่เด้งกับถ้าเกลอยสินกุฏิมุลเลคุณวันยัวถ้าเกลอยสินกูบุเรียนในดอปานในจำกุเลย
Great. Well, it's a wonderful project. We're very excited. We ask everybody who's listening to respond to this video. Tell us what you think about the center, what the center should try to do. If you want to share information about the cultures of South Sudan and the peoples of Jonglei province in South Sudan, that would be wonderful. Please post a response video on YouTube, and we hope to have a conversation that links together all the peoples of southern Sudan all around the world. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.